with another video answering your questions. Lots of questions coming in. First of all, keep the questions coming on the posts, the blogs, the socials, because that's the topics that basically I use to answer your questions and make these videos with. So keep those coming. The question we're going to be dealing with today is, how do oil prices affect the Forex markets? So the answer to this question is fairly simple. Oil prices are obviously important to certain economies. So for example, Canada is a major oil producer. So when oil prices go up or down, the Canadian dollar follows suit. So if oil prices recently, end of 2014, early 2015, oil prices fell quite hard. This means that obviously the revenues generated by oil production from Canada are going to be much lower, which is going to affect Canadian GDP, which of course traders then interpret as bad news for the Canadian economy. The value of the Canadian dollar goes down. So that's basically a very simplified version of how oil prices affect FX markets. Generally, it will be those currencies that are commodity dependent. So think of the commodity currencies. Canadian dollar is a great example. That is directly linked, the value of that currency is directly linked with how high or low oil prices go. And the reason for that is because how it affects the overall economy of that country. So that's how